headache's gone.
Well, no, it takes 7 days to work. It doesn't work right away. Raise up again. Do your guys' dad have a lot of lines like this?
Yeah, he did.
Yeah, he did.
Got some in here. Clench down on your back teeth. Give you a little on your masseter muscle, your temporalis muscle.
Whoa.
Sorry.
That's all good.
And close your eyes tight. Good. So far, so good?
Mm-hmm.
How tall are you?
I'm 5'11".
Got it.
I'm 6 foot.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah.
Really? How did that happen?
I don't know.
He stole the milk bottle from you growing up. Okay, let's see. Let's test all the movement now. Raise your brows up high. So we've got one. We treat it all the way across. And this brow has a little spiking, so we'll still give it one more drop there. I think it's going to be great. So today, no exercise. Don't lay down.
It wasn't bad at all.
Do you want to hand him the mirror so you can see how he looks? Right behind you, there's a mirror.
Do I look different already?
Well, little red bumps all over.
Yeah, you're just like little bumps.
Oh, I back knee again. Yay.
Little bumps. Those go down in half an hour. By tomorrow, all the red spots will be completely gone. And then that's it. It'll kick in 7 days. It's fully effective at 2 weeks. And if it's working in 7 days, like literally the migraines turn off and then they turn right back on in 3 months when it wears off.
Wow, okay.
That's that effective.
Great.
Yeah, so I'm excited to see if it helps you.
I'm excited for my brain to stop hurting.
Yes.
So, the wrinkles and everything, they'll start to go away as it kicks in.
Yeah, and they won't go 100% away because you frowned enough to where you frowned all the collagen out of those.
I ruined my face already.
Yeah, no, but you're starting early, so they'll soften nicely and they'll just
Cool.
stay kind of smooth and relaxed at rest.
Okay, awesome.
It'll be good. So, what's it like being so well known and chased by girls?
We haven't really like been out or anything, so I don't know. Life just kind of it feels the same for everybody. I feel like now, where it was like inside. And
Yeah, but in life, I don't know. I mean, we do this since we're really young, so it's just been like wild, like a wild ride. It's
Cool.
ups and downs, but it's a lot of fun. So
What's your 3-year plan?
right now, I feel like we're working harder than we ever have. Like,
yeah, kind of in go mode, putting out more content than we ever have, and just
just like had that like new wave of energy.
Yeah.
Just like try to take it further than we've been able to.
Do you guys have merch and everything?
Yeah, we do. We came out with some new merch. Lamar, you want to give the sales pitch for that? We had him do it.
Interesting world here.
Lamar put a tooth gem on Grayson.
Yeah, a lot of people in our comments are wondering about that. I've actually known Lamar for like 4 years.
Yeah,
We met at a band camp. Yeah.
Yeah, band camp.
I was playing trombone.
Oh my gosh, I played the oboe.
Really?
And the flute.
He was playing cello, and then we had this one song together.
I was playing keyboard, dude.
We met at
Is that what that was?
Yeah.
Why were you holding it sideways?
It was a guitar.
we met at a tattoo shop. He was working for a tattoo artist, and that's where we met.
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
And we became best of friends.
Yeah, I hit him up like last year.
Now,
I was
Lamar
like,
knows
"Hey,
everybody in TikTok.
Yeah.
He knows all of TikTok.
We're not on TikTok. It's just we have so many common interests. So that's why.
Yeah.
You guys are not on TikTok?
Yeah, I guess.
No, it's really like an opposites attract kind of thing.
Yeah, it's like, yeah.
Do you have a girlfriend?
I have a girlfriend. Yeah.
Yeah, mine's no. I just have a best friend, it's Lamar. That's it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, with a little Botox, maybe I'll get a girlfriend.
Maybe.
Oh, maybe.
Somebody's coming after me, right?
Change my face, maybe.
I'd love to send you guys home with some skincare. I have a wonderful deep blue hydration serum for guys. It's perfect. 2 drops does your whole face.
Awesome.
Not greasy. Helps after you shave. And then maybe 2 drops of vitamin C for brightening would be good.
Great.
Yeah, and you'll come back and I'm going to do some microneedling to get rid of those for you.
Okay, awesome.
Yeah.
Yay.
Very handsome.
I can still do this. Yay.
For a week.
For a week.
I know mine went away.
Thank you so much.
So nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you as well.
Anything is super frozen. Do you have a preference?
Oh gosh. I don't. What is it more effective like for migraine relief?
For migraines, the more units, the better.
Oh, okay.
But maybe we start midway.
We'll
so
start midway.
normally baby dose might be about 20 or 30 units. So I think that's reasonable to start with.
Okay, cool.
Okay, got it. Any questions?
Nope.
Perfect.
But we just don't know yet.
Okay.
With the needle?
Yeah,
Or
maybe
no.
just looking like we're at the office, you know.